What's the meaning of afterword? Afterword. 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 An afterword is a piece of writing that comes at the end of a book or other written work. Typically, the author of the afterword will reflect on the contents of the book, provide additional context or insights, or offer their own opinions and observations. Afterwords can be useful for readers who want to gain a deeper understanding of a work or for authors who want to clarify certain points. They are not to be confused with an epilogue, which is a separate section of a book that follows the main narrative.